PD injectors are a injector unit, so they use the camshaft to actually fire the injector. But first thing to do is take the copper washer off the end. There's a little spring clip, so watch your eyes on this. Then it's the little O-ring at the end of the injector. Now we have two O-rings in the base of the injector in the middle. These are different sizes, so make sure that you get the right ones in the right order. Give your injector a nice little rub down. Make sure you get it nice and clean.